Question 4. The following trial balance relates to XYZ Limited. So XYZ Limited trial balance is at 31st December year 2013. The capital, opening stock, purchases, returns, discount, carriage inwards, debtors and creditors, sales, motor vehicles, furniture and fittings, rent, bank overdraft, carriage outwards. And then we have the additional information. That is, the closing stock was valued at. So the question is, the learner is required to prepare XYZ's limited trading profit and loss account. And this is how you prepare the trading and loss account. Question 4b. Explain any 5 sources of public finance. Taxation for goods and services produced in the country. Rent charges from government properties, for example, land and buildings. Sale of assets, for example, shares, building and vehicles. Loans from development partners, for example, the World Bank and the IMF. Dividends from government investments. License fees from operating business. Royalties granted by countries' resources, for example, forests or minerals or even national parks. Grants given out by government agencies. Fines imposed by government agencies. Question 5a. Describe 5 types of advertising techniques used in product promotion. Product advertising is meant to promote a particular brand of product. Emphasizes on brand name. Institutional advertising is meant to popularize the company which manufactures a product. Primary demand advertising emphasizes on a whole range of product and not a particular brand. Celebrity advertising uses famous person to encourage people to buy product. Informative advertising aims at giving general information to a consumer about availability, quality, and price of a particular product. Competitive advertising tries to convince the consumers that the product being advertised is the best. Question 5b. Explain 5 advantages of bonded warehouse to the importer. The importer can prepare goods while in the bonded warehouse through branding. The bonded warehouse relieves the importer the cost of providing security by the government. The bonded warehouse allows the importer time to look for a buyer while goods are still in the warehouse. The bonded warehouse allows the importer time to pay customs duties. Goods may improve in quality, thus improving prices. For example, wines. Relieves the importer worries of theft. Question 6. Describe 5 government-initiated methods that help in the protection of consumers from exploitation by dishonest traders. Kenyan Bureau Standards Act. It It ensures that producers meet the required quality standards when they are producing goods and services. They test the products before allowing them to be sold to consumers. The Licensing Act, it ensures all goods and businesses are legalized. Weights and Measures Acts, they ensure goods are of correct weight and measures. They check and ensure correct weighing scales and measurement are used by traders. They confiscate goods of low weights from traders. Food and Drugs Act, it checks and ensures poisonous and dangerous substances are not included in goods being sold. Public Health Act, they check and ensure goods produced in places where they are sold are clean. Sale of Good Act, it ensures that false advertisements and descriptions of goods are not aired to customers. Rent Control Act prohibits landlords from overcharging their tenants where rent is concerned. Question 6b. The following opening balances were extracted from the books of Masinga traders on 1st May year 2023. We have furniture, capital, creditors, debtors, bank and cash. The following transactions took place in the course of the month. Paid creditor in cash, took from the bank for family use, bought stock on credit, acquired a 10-year bank loan which was credited to the business bank account, purchased land worth by paying by check, converted a family table worth to a business use, received in cash from debtor. Prepare Masinga Traders balance sheet at the end of May year 2023. This is how you prepare Masinga Traders balance sheet. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also let me know what video I can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.